Welcome to the video. We are going to solve problem of the day, which is find element occurring once when all other elements are present thrice. So we are given an input n and an array with n such elements, and here like one all the elements except one element will be present thrice. Okay, and one element will be available only once. So we have to return that element which is available only once. So in the example one, you can see 1 is present thrice, but 10 is present only once. So 10 is our answer. Similarly, in example 2, you can see other elements like 2 is present thrice, 1 is present thrice, and 34 is also present thrice. However, the element 3, which is the first element, is present only once. That is why 3 is our answer. So I will solve this question. We can solve this question in many ways, but I will solve this question using dictionary, or you can say map. So first of all, I will create key value pairs of all the elements in the array. So for I in array, if I in D, if so here I'm checking for every ith element, I element in the array. If I is already available in the D, then we will increment their value by one. If they are not present, I mean, they are occurring first time in the array, so we will just store what one. So as you can see, for example, two, when three is occurring first, it will get stored one. Also, when two is coming for the first time, it will get stored one. But here again, when two came, its value will get incremented by one. Okay. Now this way we will fill our dictionary with key value pairs. Key being the array element and value being the number of occurrence of them in the array. Okay, when their frequency in the array. Okay, now I will just traverse in the dictionary for I element in dictionary.items. Now, since I element will have two values, 0 and 1, 0 being the key and 1 being the value. Okay, now I will check if I of 1, which is the value of I, which is the frequency of this array element, equals to 1. If that's the case, return I0, I0 being the value, sorry, key of that element. Okay. So just passing example test case. Let's submit it and run for entire test cases. And yes, it does the job in 20 less time. Okay, despite doing in Python. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Have a nice day.